In this video, we are going to talk about the team inbox feature inside WhatsApp by using Eazybe extension. So here you can see I have already logged into our WhatsApp. Now what we have to do, just go to organization option inside the tools and click on it. So when we click on organization option, we will see that Eazybe workspace will automatically gets open. So now go to left tab and click on team inbox. This is our team inbox feature where we are able to see chat of each and every employee. So suppose we want to open the chat of this person, just click on it and all the messages will be loading here. And we want to see another chat, so we can click on it. Not only this, we can also open the chat of other employees also. So just go to all employees option, untick select all and tick that person whose chat we want to see. Suppose we want to see the chat of this person, tick on it and the chat of this person will automatically gets open. So this is a very effective feature for the organization to monitor the chat of their teams, especially their sales department.